Hey everybody, it's again Tony with Tony Tidbits, and I'm here to install a screen protector for the iPhone 12. We just got it in. I did the unboxing video, and now we are installing the screen protector that will go on top of the screen. It has some ceramic coating, but we have two little toddlers, and you know, accidents do happen. So we are getting a screen protector and putting it on. So I will kind of review the Torras Screen Protector. There will probably be a link in the description below if you want to give it a try. And here we go on installation. So it's one of the, I guess, the more recent, or I guess since the iPhone 12 is so new, I was able to find this Torras Screen Protector. There's not very many out there, but by the time you see this video, there'll probably be a few. But it does come in a 2-pack. It does have, there's one right here. There's one sitting right next to this. This is the one I'm going to install. So it's nice that it comes in two. Has a little black border around the screen protector. So this is pretty nice. Nice touch. We'll see if we like it or not. It's a tempered glass, 9H hardness, I believe. So should be pretty durable. We do have two toddlers, like I said before, so it's always a good idea to have. There it is, high hardness, anti-fingerprint, 10 times protection, and easy installation. We'll see how easy it is. All right. It does have a really nice guide to help you install the screen protector onto the phone. So we'll be using that. There is a little scraper to make sure you don't get bubbles on the screen protector. A very nice touch here. I don't think I've ever had one. I have other ones like on my Pixel 4 where they have like a little credit card size thing, but this is a pretty nice touch. At the edge here, let me just show you. It has sort of a very soft cloth that's on the edge, so it doesn't scratch, or it helps you kind of have that confidence that it's not going to have any issues. This is a brand new iPhone. I'm pretty sure it doesn't have anything on it per se for dust. I think they recommend that you go ahead, and here's the installation guide. Even if it has it, to go ahead and use the wet wipe. It says use the wet wipe, use the cleaning cloth, use the dust absorber, use the guidance frame, pull it off, scrape it, and you're done. And then, so let's follow the instructions here. So we're gonna open this guy, take out, there's your wet wipe, here's your cleaning cloth, we just put it right over here. And then here is your dust removal stickers, which is pretty nice. Not sure how much we would use that, but hey, it's there. Microfiber cloth down. I have my gloves as normal, and we'll just take off the top of this, and it's pretty pristine. I'm not sure what to do here. Maybe we just I wonder what happens. Pristine, just taking it off. If we put it on, what happens? We got another one, so we can give it a try. So there's the guide. I'm gonna take a risk here, see if we can pull this off by applying the screen protector directly on without putting any or using any of the wet wipes. So it says to pull it off. I'll just hold it on the edges. We'll kind of angle it here and make sure that we get it right on to where the speaker is. All right, and there it goes. It's already sort of adhering to the screen. We'll use this nifty tool here and kind of work the bubbles all away. Wow, so that was one of the easier screen protectors or applications of screen protectors that I've had. we'll rub just a little bit here. And it's pretty standard to have a little bit of bubbles. And over 24 hours, it will be, it'll disappear, basically. We'll continue to work it. And that should be it. Wow, that was easier. Well, it's nice to have a brand new phone to have it. So there it is. The applying the Torras Screen Protector on the iPhone 12. Again, if you like this video, hit subscribe and hit the thumbs up. And if you want to get more videos, hit subscribe. Thanks.